Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Mary, and I'm really happy to be here today.
Hi, Mary. Hi, everyone. I'm Tom, and yes, I'm also very happy to be here.
How are you today, Tom? You look very energetic. Did you drink too much coffee again?
Maybe just a little. Okay, maybe a lot. But energy's good, right?
Yes, energy is good, but today we will talk about something important, something about time.
Yes, time. Something we all have, but many people waste.
Exactly. Today's topic is how to talk about don't waste your time in English.
This is a powerful sentence, but it can sound rude if we don't say it correctly.
That's true. So today we will show friendly ways, polite ways, and funny ways too.
Mary, do you ever waste time?
Of course, I'm human. Sometimes I scroll my phone too long.
Me too. I say 5 minutes, then 1 hour is gone.
See, that's already wasting time. Before we continue, let's explain the meaning.
Good idea. Waste time means using time badly.
Doing things without value, without purpose, or without learning.
Like watching random videos when you should be working.
Tom, are you talking about yourself?
Maybe. Just maybe.
Let's start with a simple sentence.
Okay.
Don't waste your time.
Very simple, but very direct.
Yes, sometimes too direct.
If you say this to your friend, it's okay.
But to your boss or your teacher?
Not so good.
That's why tone matters. Words matter. Let's make it softer.
Okay.
You should use your time wisely.
Ah, that sounds nicer.
Less pressure, more advice.
How about this one?
Tell me.
Time is precious. Don't spend it on things you don't enjoy.
Oh, I like that. It sounds kind.
And a little motivational.
Now let's imagine talking to a friend.
A close friend.
You can say, "Hey, you deserve better use of your time."
That sounds caring.
Yes, not judging.
How about a funny version?
I'm listening.
Stop wasting time. Time is crying.
That's funny.
Humor helps sometimes.
Sometimes we talk about ourselves.
Yes, that's easier.
You can say, "I don't want to waste my time anymore."
That shows growth.
Here's another one.
Go ahead.
I choose progress over wasting time.
Wow, that sounds powerful.
Let's keep it natural.
Yes, not too serious.
I should stop wasting time and start doing.
Very real sentence.
Tom, when do you waste time the most?
At night, before sleeping.
Same here. We say, last video.
But YouTube says, here's another one.
Wasting time often brings regret.
Yes, later we think, why?
That's why this topic matters.
Very much.
We should not scare people.
We should guide them.
For example, use your time for what matters to you.
That feels respectful.
Time is not about being busy.
It's about being meaningful.
Don't waste time on fear.
Or doubt.
So today we talked about what "don't waste your time" means.
And how to say it kindly.
In the next part, we will talk about work, goals, and habits.
And more funny examples too.
Tom, today we talk about time at work. Are you ready?
Yes, Mary, let's go. Work is very important.
Sometimes people waste time at work, scrolling phones, chatting too much.
Yes, even I do that sometimes. It's easy to distract yourself.
You can say, "Let's focus on important tasks."
Or, don't waste time on small things.
Very simple, very polite, works with colleagues.
Yes, tone is key. Always friendly.
Tom, remember last week? I saw you checking Instagram during meeting.
Haha, guilty, but I quickly closed it.
That's why we say, don't waste time at work. But humor helps. Time is connected to goals, right?
Exactly. We have dreams and limited time,
So we say use your time for your goals.
Yes. Friendly, motivational too.
If a friend is procrastinating, we can say don't waste your time. You can do better.
Or with humor, your time is precious. Even your cat agrees.
Haha. Funny advice works sometimes. Small daily habits help, right, Tom?
Yes. Wake up early, plan your day.
Write down tasks, prioritize, check progress.
Even 10 minutes planning helps. Time adds up.
I once planned my whole day. Then I watched YouTube all morning. Tom, you would laugh.
I do that too. Planning is easy, doing is hard.
Now let's use English sentences. You can say, don't waste your time on unnecessary things.
Or focus on what matters most.
Simple, polite, useful, very natural. I want to spend my time wisely.
That's a great mindset.
Every minute counts.
Yes, short and meaningful.
Tom, do you want funny version?
Of course.
Don't waste time. Time is running faster than you.
That's clever.
We can say, I don't want to waste my time. I want to grow.
Yes, it's positive, friendly too.
Focus on small things. Don't worry about big mistakes.
One step today, one step tomorrow. That's enough.
Make a plan. Check tasks. Reward yourself.
Yes, even small reward works. Keeps motivation high.
Today, we talked about time at work, goals, and daily habits.
We also showed friendly ways to say, don't waste your time.
In the next part, we will talk about relationships, family, and fun examples. Tom, we're going to have fun.
Excited too.
How's your family today? Everyone okay?
Yes, thank you. My little brother is noisy, but it's normal.
That's life. Time with family is precious, not to be wasted. Sometimes we waste time at home, watching TV, scrolling phones.
Yes, even weekends disappear quickly, very fast.
You can say, don't waste your time on things that don't matter.
Or spend time with family and friends.
Tom, remember last weekend? You played games all day.
Yes, I told my mom just 5 minutes, then 3 hours passed.
See, time flies when we are distracted, even at home. If your friend wastes time, say gently, hey, let's do something meaningful today.
Or, funny, your time is too valuable to watch cat videos all day.
Haha, funny advice works well. People laugh and listen. Time is important for goals too. Right, Tom?
Yes, Mary. Without managing time, we can't achieve dreams.
So, in English, you can say, focus on what matters most. Friendly and clear.
Or, don't waste your time on distractions. Polite and motivational.
Time management is also about yourself, self-improvement, learning new things.
Yes, even 10 minutes a day matters. Reading, writing, learning English.
So you can say, I don't want to waste my time. I want to grow every day.
Powerful sentence. Friendly, positive, natural.
Tom, I once tried to learn English. Then I watched YouTube all morning. Big waste of time.
I did the same. We all do sometimes.
Exactly. It's normal, but important to recognize it. With friends, you can say, don't waste your time on people who don't value you.
Polite version. Spend time with those who appreciate you.
Even in romantic relationships, your time is precious. Choose wisely.
Yes, time is life. Be mindful.
Tom, funny version for friends?
Stop wasting your time. Even your dog is judging you.
That works. People laugh and understand. We can talk about habits, example, social media.
Yes, I spend too much time on my phone. Friendly and honest.
Or I choose to focus on learning instead. Positive, polite. I want to use my time wisely. Simple, friendly, motivating.
Every moment counts. Short, clear, powerful.
I decide not to waste time on unnecessary things. Natural English. At coffee shop, don't waste your time waiting for someone who is late.
Haha, true. Or, time is too precious to wait. Polite and clever.
Talking to yourself is okay. I won't waste my time today. I will focus on what matters.
Self-talk builds confidence, friendly, motivating, and natural.
Start small. 5 minutes planning, 10 minutes learning.
One small action each day. It adds up. Time grows productive.
Yes, Tom. Every little step counts. Even small wins are meaningful. Today we talked about family, friends, and habits. How to say, don't waste your time, kindly.
We also shared funny stories, motivational sentences, and friendly English expressions.
In the next part, we will discuss work, study, and long-term time management. Tom, ready for our last part today? We'll make it fun.
Mary, absolutely. I'm excited to finish this topic.
How are your studies going? Learning new things?
Yes, slowly but surely. Time is short, so I focus.
Good. That's exactly what we're talking about. Don't waste your time. At work, time is precious, right, Tom?
Exactly. We have tasks, deadlines too.
You can say, don't waste time on unnecessary meetings.
Or focus on your priorities, friendly and polite.
Last week, I joined a meeting. It was 2 hours long. Very boring.
I know the feeling. Time really flies there.
So I said to myself, don't waste your time, but quietly, not rude. Students often waste time too, scrolling phones, watching videos.
Yes, even I do sometimes. We need to focus.
In English, you can say, don't waste your time. Study a little every day.
Friendly advice works better. We want motivation, not guilt.
Time management is a habit, slowly built over months, not instantly.
Yes, wake up early, plan your day. Small steps matter.
Even 10 minutes of learning counts. Daily repetition is key. I tried waking up early, then I pressed snooze 5 times. Tom, you would laugh.
Haha, I did that too. Baby steps, Mary, baby steps.
I will not waste my time today. Short, clear, powerful.
I choose to focus on what matters, positive and friendly.
Time is my most valuable resource. Sounds confident. Tom, waiting in line is boring. You can say, don't waste time standing. Let's plan something fun.
Haha, even waiting is time. Friendly advice works.
You can say to yourself, I will spend my time wisely today. Simple, natural English.
Self-talk builds confidence, motivating and friendly.
I will stop procrastinating. Small, clear steps. With friends, time is precious. Let's do something meaningful together.
Or humor. Stop wasting time. Even your cat is waiting.
Funny and caring. People listen better. Time is life. Don't waste it on fear or doubt.
Yes, even small progress counts. Every minute matters.
Use time for learning, family, friends, and fun. Life is short. Be mindful. Today we discussed work, study, and long-term habits. Funny examples, friendly advice.
We also shared motivational sentences, ways to talk about don't waste your time politely.
Remember, small steps create big change. Every day is important.
Thank you for listening to all parts. We hope you feel inspired to use your time wisely.
And that's the end of our conversation today.
Don't forget to subscribe to Podcast English Talk for more English practice.
Goodbye. See you next time. And don't waste your time.